Okay, so here it is. So the bit that you want to weld goes up into there. You do that up, and then you turn it on, and then that is one direction, and that is another direction. This is stop and start. This is speed. This is percent of the percentage of speed. So this is 99%. And then that'll go right down to almost sort of nothing. I'll do about 30% is what you sort of tend to weld at. Here's the foot pedal. So that goes on the floor and plugs in up here. So then that's the same as this button here. So I can, with the foot pedal, I can stop it and start it. And then this is the back. So I'll show you. So this is how it goes. It's going to have two bars coming out of here, so the whole thing's gonna swivel. It might have a shield here to stop any sparks going onto it, and it's going to have a bar here. It's going to have a bar here coming out. It's going to be mounted with these things, so that will be like there. And then you'd rest your torch about, like there. Hold the torch still, rest it on the bar, and then weld away while the bit moves. There you go. So that's what it looks like inside. And there's a little drive wheel down there. I'll probably just about make out. Not quite finished yet though.